Struggling with how to look effortlessly chic? Look no further. Today, let's talk about how jeans can be a stylish and elegant option for dressing up, and learn the best tips and techniques for creating a chic outfit with your favorite pair of jeans, and in the process, stay effortlessly chic. Jeans are the most versatile piece of clothing in an outfit. They are timeless, comfortable, affordable, and can be dressed up or down to fit any occasion. But how can you make them look classy and elegant? Let's explore a variety of ideas of how to make denim look elegant and stylish by layering and coordinating different pieces and accessories. By the end of this video, you'll have several classy and elegant jean outfit ideas that are perfect for any time of year. As I mentioned, jeans are the quintessential wardrobe staple that everyone owns. But let's face it, they can be a bit uninspiring sometimes. However, with a few simple tweaks, you can transform your casual denim ensembles into chic and sophisticated outfits that are suitable for any occasion. Jeans have long been associated with a casual and laid-back fashion sense, but with the right combination of pieces, they can be elevated to create a sophisticated and elegant look. So let's explore the do's and don'ts of dressing up your jeans to achieve a chic and refined outfit, from choosing the perfect fit and wash to accessorizing wisely and avoiding common mistakes. Are you ready to take your denim game to the next level? Let's go. One of the most important factors in dressing up your jeans is choosing the right fit. This can make or break your entire outfit, so it's crucial to get it right. When it comes to fit, there are a few things to keep in mind, and I have an extensive video about jeans and how they should fit, and we'll link that right up here, but I will go over a few of the tips in this video. And first, we just want to make sure that the jeans are tailored to your body type. If they're too loose or too tight, they will look sloppy and unflattering. You want your jeans to hug your curves in all the right places without being too constricting. Additionally, consider the rise of your jeans. High-waisted jeans can elongate your legs and create a more polished look, while low-rise jeans can be more casual. It's all about finding what works best for your body and personal style. When shopping for jeans, take the time to try on multiple pairs and sizes. Don't be afraid to ask for assistance from a salesperson or bring a trusted friend along for a second opinion. Remember, the right fit can make all the difference in achieving a classy and elegant look. And here's a simple tip just to save you time before you head to the dressing room. So you just take the waistband of your jean and then you just put it behind your neck, and then if the waistband, the ends touch, then you'll be able to take that back to the dressing room. I know it sounds a little crazy. I visualized that here in the jean video, but it's a tip that really honestly works. Now that you have a handle on fit, let's move on to the next tip, opting for dark washes. When shopping for jeans, finding the perfect pair is crucial to elevating your look. While the fit is essential, the wash of the jeans can also make a significant impact on the overall appearance. Dark washes in particular are a great option when aiming for a classy and elegant look. Not only do they create a slimming effect, but they also give off a more polished and sophisticated vibe. Now that doesn't mean you can't ever wear light wash rinses. Of course you can, but that is going to be for a laid-back look. Today we're just talking about classy and chic and elegant outfits. So opting for a dark wash jean provides a versatile base for any outfit. It allows for easy pairing with elevated pieces such as structured blouses or tailored blazers. Dark wash jeans can effortlessly transition from casual to formal occasions, making them a valuable addition to any wardrobe. For a chic and streamlined look, choose a dark wash jean with no visible distress or fading. Keep in mind that the darker the wash, the more formal the jeans will appear. When in doubt, black jeans are always a safe bet for a sophisticated and polished look. And if you love content like this, it would so help the channel grow if you like, share, and comment, hit the subscription box and the notification bell. Now that we've covered the importance of wash, let's move on to pairing your jeans with elevated pieces for an even more stylish and elegant look. It's time to elevate your outfit by pairing your denim with sophisticated pieces. Simple way to do this is by opting for classic and timeless staples such as a crisp white button-down shirt. I know, I always say crisp white button-down shirt. There are also other options too, and and I will talk about those further on, but a white button down is always, again, a very safe bet, as is a tailored blazer or a sleek trench coat. These pieces not only add a touch of sophistication, but also balance out the casualness of the jeans. Another great way to take your jeans to the next level is by pairing them with high quality and luxurious fabrics such as silk, cashmere, or lace. A silk blouse paired with dark wash jeans and heels instantly elevates your outfit to a more formal and elegant level. Similarly, a cashmere sweater in the winter adds texture and softness, making your look more refined and polished. Remember, the key is pairing jeans with elevated pieces to keep it simple and classic. Stick to clean lines, neutral colors, and classic silhouettes to achieve a timeless and sophisticated look. And now let's take a look at those accessories that we can add to an outfit, because accessories make or break your outfit, especially when it comes to classing up your jeans. When choosing accessories, keep in mind the timeless and classic style that you're going for. Opt for minimal and understated pieces that won't overwhelm your outfit. For example, a simple pair of stud earrings or a delicate pendant necklace can add just the right amount of sparkle to your look without being too distracting. As for bags, choose a structured and streamlined option such as a leather tote or clutch to complete your outfit. When it comes to shoes, stick to classic styles such as sleek pumps or ankle boots. Avoid anything too chunky or casual looking, as this can detract from the overall elegance of your outfit. And if you're looking to take your jean outfit to the next level, consider swapping out your sneakers for a pair of heels. Heels have a way of instantly elevating any outfit and adding a touch of sophistication. Not only do they elongate your legs and give you a confidence boost, but they also offer endless styling options. For a daytime look, try pairing your jeans with a chunky block heel or strappy sandal. For a fancier occasion, opt for a classic stiletto in a neutral color such as black or nude. Experimenting with different heel styles and colors can give your outfit a whole new look, and pairing them with the right jewelry can add even more polish. So if you're ready to take your jean outfit game to the next level, give heels a try. Now that you have your elevated pieces and accessories sorted, it's time to make sure you're avoiding common mistakes that can detract from your classy and chic look. It's important to avoid common mistakes that can ruin your outfit. So here are some things to keep in mind. First, avoid wearing jeans that are too tight or too baggy, unless you're being intentional with a pair of boyfriend jeans that are loose-fitting but never baggy. We all know ill-fitting jeans can make your outfit look sloppy and unflattering. Make sure to choose a pair that fits you well and flatters your body type. Second, be mindful of the wash and color of your jeans. As I mentioned, opt for darker washes such as indigo or black. They tend to be more polished and sophisticated. Lighter rinse and distressed jeans can give off a more casual vibe, so save those for your relaxed occasions. And third, be careful not to over-accessorize. Stick to a few key pieces such as a statement necklace or a pair of earrings to add some interest to your outfit. Avoid wearing too many accessories at once, as this can make your outfit look cluttered and overwhelming. And finally, remember to keep your hair and makeup simple and polished. Avoid hairstyles that are too messy or casual looking, and opt for a classic makeup look that complements your outfit. By following these tips, you can ensure that your outfit looks classy and elegant without any common mistakes that detract from your overall look. Dressing up your jeans for a classy and elegant look is easier than you might think. So go ahead, elevate your denim game, and make a lasting impression. Of course, give me a thumbs up if you like the content, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.